Learn I need, in Persian, Farsi.
من به نیاز دارم.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Ready to grab a power phrase and a smile? You've got this. Hey, language adventurer. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Swing by www.synapse-lingo.com for more goodies. Your superpower today is I need, which in Persian is.
من به نیاز دارم.
Say it once, with flair, maybe a superhero pose. Let's make your Persian requests clear, polite, and a little bit funny. Your goal today. By the end, you'll confidently ask for exactly what you need, anywhere. Formula. I need plus thing.
من به نیاز دارم.
Negative. I do not need.
من به نیاز ندارم.
Gesture hack. Touch your chest for.
من
Point forward for.
به
And cup your hands to receive for.
نیاز دارم.
Your body remembers what your brain forgets. Mini dialogue. Let's act it out, short, sweet, and slightly silly. A. Excuse me, can you help? B. Of course. A. I need a map.
من به نقشه نیاز دارم.
B. Here you go. Anything else? A. Do you think I need an umbrella or not? B. In this weather? Absolutely. A. Then I'll say it. I need an umbrella.
من به چتر نیاز دارم.
Narrator. At the donut shop, be careful if you say I need.
من به نیاز دارم.
A dozen donuts might roll into your arms like they heard their name. Sweet vocabulary, huh? Rhythm and rhyme. Train your tongue with a beat you can't forget. Chant on a 4 beat.
من به نیاز دارم.
Rhyme to lock it in. I need an arm to stay calm.
نیاز دارم.
Loop it softly 4 times, then clap.
من به نیاز دارم.
Drill time. Your turn, you speak, the world understands. I need water.
من به آب نیاز دارم.
I need help.
من به کمک نیاز دارم.
I need time.
من به زمان نیاز دارم.
I need money.
من به پول نیاز دارم.
I need information.
من به اطلاعات نیاز دارم.
I need to buy a ticket.
من به برای خریدن بلیط نیاز دارم.
I need now, please.
من به الان نیاز دارم لطفاً.
Do you think I need or not?
فکر می‌کنی من به نیاز دارم یا نه؟
Culture tip. Polite, clear, and local, sound like you belong. At a Tehran cafe, say I need internet politely.
من به اینترنت نیاز دارم.
Then add a smile and please.
لطفاً.
Need versus want matters. Need.
من به آب نیاز دارم.
Want.
من آب می‌خواهم.
Quick quiz. You've got this. Answer out loud and own it. Q. How do you say I need, in Persian? A.
من به نیاز دارم.
Q. True or false?
من به نیاز دارم.
Means I want. A. False. Need is not want. Q. Say fast. I need water. I need help. I need time. A.
من به آب نیاز دارم. من به کمک نیاز دارم. من به زمان نیاز دارم.
Q. Your phone is dying. Tell the clerk you need a charger. A.
من به شارژر نیاز دارم.
Bonus. Opposite meaning. Say I do not need it. A.
من به آن نیاز ندارم.
Memory hacks. Make it stick with senses, stories, and a smile. Smell fresh bread and say.
من به نان نیاز دارم.
Taste salty water.
من به آب نیاز دارم.
Loci trick. In your kitchen, the fridge says.
من به غذا نیاز دارم.
At the sink, a note reads.
من به آب نیاز دارم.
Mirror drill. Look at yourself and practice.
من به نیاز دارم.
Confidence looks good on you. Metaphor moment. Need is a magnet, say.
من به نیاز دارم.
And the right object glides your way. Umbrella's optional. Challenge. Level up with a tiny, real-life mission. For the next hour, name 3 real things around you using I need. For example, I need information.
من به اطلاعات نیاز دارم.
I need silence.
من به سکوت نیاز دارم.
I need a map.
من به نقشه نیاز دارم.
Bonus round. Flip it negative once.
من به نیاز ندارم.
So you can accept or decline like a pro. Goodbye and keep going. You did great, tiny steps, big wins. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing I need, equals.
من به نیاز دارم.
All day for real fluency. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, printables, and audio at www.synapse-lingo.com. You've got this. See you next time.